I had a beautiful day at the Krusty Krab. I hate the school and wish you have the juice drinking. Okay, which one? I got this one. I can drink it. Alright. Where's juice? Oh, there it is. Okay. I got this one. Okay, let's open it. Come on, you son of a bitch. Okay, well, I'm opening it. Okay. Time to relax. So delicious. Okay. What a beautiful day. Oh, Luigi, what are you doing here? What are you drinking? Stop! Mario, what's the matter for you? I'm drinking their juice. Because stop that, Luigi. Okay. Luigi, which one? I hiccup. Oh, God. I'm very sad. La 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 la. Oh, hey Luigi, what are you doing here? I'm sadness, black then sadness at the wall. Oh, Luigi, what the heck was that? I don't know. Your hiccups. I'm not Hiccups, Plankton. What's going on here? Oh, hey Knuckles, what's up? Luigi got the hiccups. He's mad. Oh, I see hiccups, Luigi. No, Knuckles. I can't not. Whoa. The hiccups, Luigi, it's mine. Oh, yeah, I'll show you. Get out of here. Oh, poor Luigi is troublemaker. Yeah, Knuckles, I did so. Get out of here! Wait, what? Who is that? Whoa. Luigi, are you okay? Yeah, sorry, Mario. I did it! I jinxed myself. Mario, wait!